Is your Linksys router stuck? Not responding to a reset or acting up after a firmware update? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Linksys router using the recovery procedure. You can try this recovery procedure if your Linksys router gets stuck during startup, keeps flashing a power light, stops responding after a firmware update, or doesn't reset properly. This process involves performing the recovery procedure and then verifying whether it was successful by checking the router's boot partition. Our routers are designed with two boot partitions. When the recovery procedure is performed, the router switches to the secondary partition if the primary partition becomes corrupted or encounters issues. One last thing before we start the recovery procedure, make sure that your router is powered on. Step 1. Unplug the power from the router and wait for 2 seconds. Step 2. Plug the power back in and count for 5 seconds. Step 3. Repeat this unplug-and-plug process 4 times exactly. Unplug the power and wait for 2 seconds, then plug it back in and count for 5 seconds. After the 4th cycle, plug the power back in normally and leave the router alone. The router may take longer than usual to boot up. Wait around 2 to 4 minutes. Make sure to connect a computer to the router either through a wired connection using an Ethernet cable or through the router's Wi-Fi credentials. Launch a web browser. In the address bar, enter https://192.168.1.1/sysinfo.cgi. 192.168.1.1 is the default IP address of the router. You will be prompted to enter a username and password. Enter admin as the username, then enter your router password and click Sign In. The Sysinfo page will appear. Press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard and search for boot_part. Boot_part indicates the router's current boot partition. If no recovery procedure was previously performed, the default value is usually set to 1. After performing the recovery procedure successfully, the value should switch to 2. If the recovery was not successful, simply repeat the entire procedure again from the beginning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Linksys troubleshooting videos for more helpful tech tips.